Hi everyone, and welcome to our video with Kirsten's part for White Winter Hymnal, and I'm Steve.
I'm Emma.
From Ilkley Youth Choir. So here we go. So the first bar, in fact every bar starts with this, so all 4 bars always start with left hand, chest, and then a double click. Because you're always going to start with that in each of these sequences. So the first sequence is going to be left hand click, double click, a clap, and then 2 knees. Alright, so let's break that down. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Left click, clap, knee, knee. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left click, clap, knee, knee. And last time, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left click, clap, knee, knee. The next bar, as we've said, starts with the same process. So left hand chest, and then a double click, and then the same as everybody, it's left knees, centre knees, right knees. So let's try that bar, the second bar now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand click, left, centre, right. Again. Left. It's hard to say it at the same time. So we'll go 3, 4. Click, left, centre, right. Chest click, left, centre, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 2, 3, 4. Last time for now. 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then the third bar, the end of this bar we'll talk about at the start, because what we're going to do is going to take our left hand and we're going to cross it. Now this will hit whoever is Scott in your choir, so you should be next to somebody from Scott, and on the 4th beat you'll tap Scott's hand, as it were. So we're going to start as we always do. So left hand, chest, double click, then we get a clap, and then a knees, which is the same as the first bar, but then we do left hand over on the 4th beat. So let's do that nice and slowly. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Click, clap, knee, over. Again, 2, 3, 4. And last time, 2, 3, 4. Very good, well done. We're now going to move on into the final bar. So on this bar, we've got a left hand chest and a double click, as we always do, and then just 4 knees. Knee, 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 knee. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, and that's how we do that last bar. So let's practice that a couple of times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 2, 3, 4. And last time. 2, 3, 4. We're going to now try it with a metronome, and very, very slowly, a couple of times, and join in if you can. Go back, check out different parts of this clip to practice, and then slowly build up the speed. Don't worry about the singing at all, just get the clapping down, build that up, and then once you've got the part memorised and it's completely in your soul, then you can start adding the singing in as well. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And 3, and 4.
One, 2, 3, 4.